Cabane. This property is a 10-minute walk from the beach, a 5-minute stroll from the white sand Balangan Beach. Cabane boasts an outdoor pool and wooden bungalows amidst tropical greenery. Each unit features sliding doors that open onto a private terrace facing the garden. Wi-Fi access is free throughout the property. Cabane is a 5-minute walk from Bellow Beach. The property is a 20-minute drive from Bellow to Temple and a 30-minute drive from Garrai International Airport. Offering spacious layouts, the bungalows are fitted with mosquito nets, personal safe and a seating area. Shower facilities, towels and free bath amenities are available in the private bathrooms. Airport transfers can be arranged at a fee, while on-site parking spaces are provided free of charge. For meals, guests can have it at the on-site restaurant. Breakfast is delivered to guests' rooms every morning.